Hello there, my amazing artists. I hope you like that Roy G. Biv video as much as I do. For your rainbow drawing, you're going to need a Sharpie, a circle to trace, and whatever material you have to use for coloring. I'm going to use markers and a little bit of water, like watercolor almost. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your circle and you're going to trace it on whatever side you want to have your sunshine.
Remember, it takes 2 ingredients to make a rainbow. You need sunshine and rain, water, or a cloud.
I'm going to use a bumpy line and I'm going to make a closed organic shape with my bumpy line. Then using some triangles, I'm going to add some sun rays to my sun. You can add your sun rays however you like. After all, you're the artist. Then I'm going to add some silly faces to my sun and cloud. It's up to you. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but it's pretty silly and it makes for a very cute picture. I like to add sunglasses to my sunshine because that makes him look like a cool dude. I wonder what colors I should use for my sunshine. Should I use cool colors or warm colors? Hopefully you said the warm colors because I think some oranges and yellows and reds would look great on this sunshine. And my silly cloud who's, I don't know, kind of confused, maybe I'll use some cool colors for him. Now it's time to add my rainbow. Using the tip of my red marker, I first practiced with my finger a nice big curved line that I then drew using my red marker. Then I took the side of my marker and created a thicker line by drawing on the side. It's kind of hard to explain, but the top of your marker is kind of shaped like a triangle. So I use the side of the triangle instead of the tip pointy part, and it creates a thick line. Now, hopefully you learned the orders of the colors in the rainbow with my Roy G. Biv song. It's one of my favorite songs because it really helps me to remember the order of the colors in the rainbow. Hopefully, whenever you make your rainbow artwork, you will also have your colors in the correct order. That is what I'm hoping to see from this assignment. Once you have done yellow, you know it's time for G. I like to actually write down and mark which colors I'm using so that I don't forget. Remember, B is for blue, and I is for a color called indigo. Indigo is like a mixture between purple and blue, really. It kind of looks like a dark navy blue almost. So because they don't really usually make indigo colored markers, I'm actually just going to make my indigo using the blue and the purple. You'll see here, I'm going to use the purple to draw my first line right underneath of the blue. But using the blue again, I'm actually going to trace over top of that purple line to create a nice deep blue. You see how it's a lot darker than the original blue? That is how you know you've made an indigo. Then don't forget your purple line right underneath. Once you finish your rainbow, then it's time to use the warm colors for your sunshine. You'll notice that I use orange in the sun rays and around the edge of my sun, but then I'm actually going to take a little bit of yellow and do a yellow circle around the middle and then leave the center white. That's because that's the part I'm going to add a tiny bit of water to watch my markers blend together. I'm actually going to do that for my gray cloud as well, and I actually remembered that I have a gray marker, but I do wish that I had drawn my cloud with blue instead, because then it would show the warm and cool colors. But it's up to you. If you don't have a gray marker, you could always use any of the cool colors to color in your cloud. Once I had my sunshine and my rain cloud all outlined in marker, I took a little bit of water on a wet paintbrush and I actually just blended the colors together by painting over top of the marker. I even added just a teeny tiny bit of blue to give that cool rain cloud effect. I did the same thing in my sunshine and filled up all the white space with a little bit of water and marker mixture. It kind of acted like watercolors and was really fun. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but I do want you to sign your name at the bottom so everybody knows whose amazing rainbow masterpiece this is. Don't forget to send me a picture in Google Classroom and have fun. See you soon!